Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to fix low water pressure in a bathtub faucet. First thing you want to do is you want to get this mechanism pulled apart, and you want to check the valves behind the escutcheon plate inside the rough end valve. One thing you can check first before getting into this is you can check to see if your diverter is clogged or anything of that nature. Most of the time your diverter spout is just hand tight. If it's not, get a wrench, put some tape around it, and just turn it off. But this one is hand tight. And what you want to do is you just want to check to see if the diverter is free from any debris. Over time, calcium buildup or anything of that nature can build up inside of here. You know, there's not much inside of here, but you can just check there anyway. Sometimes you can take a screwdriver and just kind of get around in here. Sometimes things will build up inside the pipes and they'll work their way towards this thing. You can put your hand over the pipe, turn the water on, and if anything is stuck in there, it'll just pop its way out and go down into the tub and clean it up. That's one thing you can do. If that doesn't work, you're going to have to check to see if the valves are bad. And in order to do that, we need to pull off this whole assembly. Start by pulling the cover off of the knob. Again, make sure you have all the water off, and you just want to pull this out. It's very important that you make sure the main water supply is off, because once you start pulling this off, you're no longer have control of it with a knob. There's usually 2 screws that hold it into the rough end valve. And these are usually long screws and take a second or two to get them off. Then you want to pull off the first portion of the ring. This pops out. As you can see, there's a hot valve and a cold valve, and these are controlled by a single knob because this is a single knob shower faucet. But you can see there's a slot in each one, and these control the pressure. The manufacturers usually set them, but if you're finding you're not getting the pressure you want, you can take this and you can adjust it. Will be less pressure, out will be more pressure. And that pretty much will take care of your water pressure. And if you find that that doesn't work, it sounds like you'll have some internal problems, and at that point I would suggest you go ahead and call a licensed plumber to come in and do a thorough troubleshooting throughout your whole water system, and then he'll be able to find exactly what the problem is. Basically, that's what you would do if you wanted to check your pressure coming out of the tub. Again, if it's not working, then you're gonna have to get a plumber, backtrack, and let him find the source. Pretty much after you do that, you can put all this back together and check it, and it should work. So that's pretty much how you do it, and nothing to it.